Let's go get him again.
Noir Eau de Toilette by Tom Ford. This thing had a little bit of a weird journey. First being released after the EDP, which is extremely rare in the men's aisle in the fragrance industry, that the EDP would come prior to the Eau de Toilette. Very weird. Alas, of course, now it has its recent discontinuation. I've never smelt the Eau de Toilette, so we're gonna take a sniff on this one. Let's go. Fragrance family, welcome to the Road Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing and giving a first impression on Noir Eau de Toilette from the house of Tom Ford, 2013 release. So this one, the ugly stepchild of the Noir series, highly forgotten, as many that speak about the line speak about the EDP, Noir on Anthracite. The Extreme is probably the most popular, while this one kind of feels like it never existed. YouTube, crickets, maybe 2-3 videos on it. I got this one for around 60 bucks at Maximum Fragrance, the place that Eugene goes. By the way, shout outs to them for such a cheap price on a Tom Ford release that is discontinued. I got you on a good price here. And yeah, I snatched that up real quick, and it completes my Tom Ford Noir series in the men's section at least. So let's unbox this one. Now, the Noir series from Tom Ford, I'm a fan. EDP, Extreme, Anthracite, all good. Obviously, Anthracite is my favorite just because it's so daring, challenging. It's just a great release. This one is probably, and here I am assuming, but probably is the fresher one, the easier to wear one. And I'm assuming that's why it really didn't do so well. So let's take a look at Noir. This one has, oh, the bottle's frosted. See, I always saw the bottles. I never thought they were frosted like this. I thought it was clear. So nice look. Cap's black with some gray TF. I got the smaller bottle here, not the big boy. This is the 50 ml. So let's sniff out Noir Eau de Toilette from Tom Ford, the ugly stepchild of the Noir series. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This thing's aromatic fresh. Citrusy. Yellow lemon. Nice and bright. It's got some bergamot up top. A little bit of a... Is that mint? That is mint. Nice. Okay, so... Lemon, bergamot, minty, uplifting. It has a green vibe, yellow vibe. That's what I'm getting from this. Not too thin. You know, when I talk about citruses, you got to be careful saying how thin they are, because there is some backing to this. There's some floral qualities here. There's almost like a little bit of a powdery kick here. It's got a little bit of spice here, a little bit of pink pepper, a little bit of sweetness to some vanillic qualities. 100% a daily driver. This smells like a I'm going into the office type of scent, right? Suit, tie, daily wear. I'm not here to be big and bold with my fragrance, but it's classy enough. I like this Tom Ford. I could see why it didn't sell. Again, Tom Ford for men. You know, that one's also a daytime scent for men. I like the mint. It kind of went away a little bit here. Now it's going more into vanillic, woody, floral. I'm thinking I'm picking up iris in here. It just feels like it has that creaminess. But it has a talky, powdery feel to the release too. So overall, there's not much to say here. This is a daily wear scent. I'm going to the office scent, nothing too crazy. Obviously, probably it is the less daring of the whole line of the Noir series, and I could see why I don't know. I feel like these type of scents, you know, would be great for somebody in the 30s and up for a daytime scent, a signature scent. These type of scents, I don't know, they don't do so well, but I like it. I can't wait to see what it's going to do on skin, especially that mint portion of it. I feel like it was fleeting and just went away like that. It was like citrus mint, and I was like, oh, interesting. And then I went more into a talky, powdery, vanillic, iris-like release. So, at the end of the day, I'm happy with this release. It ain't a stunner. It's not going to wow you, but at the same time, it's straightforward. It's solid. It's a Tom Ford. It's well constructed. I can't wait to delve into this one a little bit more. I might wear this a lot. I'm thinking this one, spring, daytime, office wear scent for me. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. What do you think about this discontinued fragrance? The first discontinued fragrance from the Noir series. Man, it seems like you were set up to fail, my friend. Once you came out right after the EDP and people are scratching their heads like, huh? Aren't you supposed to come out first? That was a telltale sign that you were going to say, we were going to say bye-bye to you first. So Noir by Tom Ford. I can't wait to see what you guys will say in the comments below. I don't know. I haven't checked that website, Maximum Fragrance. They are based in Canada. I think they ship in the US and Canada. So if you want to get a good, I think I got it for $60. So if you're looking to snipe this up, I'm more than happy to help out fellow fragrance heads. Now that I got my bottle, I don't care. You guys can hoard as much as you want. But as always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your daily wear scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.